Good morning, tree lovers. I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at treeplanters.com. I am at a condominium facility in Sarasota, Florida, and we were looking at 18 really tall Washingtonia palms in the entryway to this condominium facility. There are 18 of these. They range at the lowest height of about 40 feet and the tallest height of about 60 feet. We wanted to show you this so that you can see the type of jobs that we are capable of doing. They want these trees transplanted to other locations in the facility. Then they're going to re-landscape the entryway. That's where we are. But take a look at this. You may have something similar to this and you need our help. Give us a call. I'm Joel Mizell at the Tree Planters with the treeplanters.com.